How to add a profile picture in WhatsApp on iPhone. Simply follow simple steps to add or update your profile picture on WhatsApp using an iPhone. Firstly, unlock your iPhone and open the WhatsApp app and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once you are logged in, simply tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here inside the settings, all you have to do is tap on your name at the top, then you will be navigated to your profile settings. Here you will see your current profile picture or default avatar at the top. Simply tap on the edit option available right below your photo. You can see the edit, or you can simply tap on the photo and you can see edit option available at the top right corner. Then tap on the upload photo or take photo according to your preferences. Then browse through your camera and tap on the photo you want to pick for your profile picture. Then once you choose the photo, simply tap on the done option available there. You can see change option available and then it will be changed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.